Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start with the app you want on screen 1, open it now. Once the app is active, make sure navigation mode is set. Either 3-button or gestures work, but gestures change swipes. Next, open recent apps, swipe up or tap the square. When you see the app card, long press it or tap its icon. This reveals the split screen option. Tap split screen to pin the first app to the top or left, and the system will prompt you to choose the second app immediately. Once the first app is locked in split mode, pick the second app from recent or open it from home. It appears on the opposite side. You can then move the divider, drag it to set a 50/50 split, or bias one app for multitasking. Make sure to use app-specific controls independently. Play media in one, type in the other. If you rotate the phone, the layout adapts. For video, rotate to landscape for a wider 16:9 feel. Remember to close or swap apps as needed. To finish, drag the middle divider all the way to one side to close one app and return to single app mode. Alternatively, use the close control on a pane. You can also swap apps quickly with the handle or reopen recent and choose swap when available. If split screen is missing, force close the apps and reopen recent. Make sure navigation mode hasn't disabled the gesture required. As a last step, reboot the phone. This often restores split screen availability without losing your current.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.